Hi there, YouTube. I'm going to be replacing the firing pin on this LCP. When I did it the first time, I bent the firing pin because it rolled over on me, and it bent right here. It bent right there. So anyways, I'm going to take this one apart and replace the firing pin. And when you take out the roll pin, you don't have to beat it out all the way, just hit it a couple times. And then when you take it out, you want to hold this. You want to hold this so the firing pin won't shoot across the room. Okay, here's the old firing pin. I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but it's bent a little bit. Okay, there's the old one, and there's the old one. Here's the new one. I don't know if you can tell, but this one, the top one's bent a little bit. So anyways, when you're putting it back together, put a little bit of oil on this one. When you're putting it back together, it's kind of tricky because the firing pin always wants to move. So you'll want to make sure that the indented part is where the roll pin is supposed to be, and the roll pin is right on this side right there. So you want to put in the firing pin, and what I do is I get this in here and I kind of wedge it like so, but it moved on me. Oh, you can see that well. Oops. Okay. This is a problem I had last time, that moving. Okay, and I wedge it like that with the screwdriver, and then I put my pin punch. I'm gonna have to move it in a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Be sure that you're watching where this thing goes, because sometimes it'll fly off. So then I turn it around and I'll just hit right here. The hammer, and just be sure to hold where the firing pin might fly out, because it might. Okay, I got it in. Now I'm going to hit the pin just a little bit more so it's kind of flush with the top of the slide. So let's see here how I'm going to do this. There we go, that's good. Now it's fairly flush. And that's it. And you'll want to make sure that your firing pin goes back and forth, which this one does. So then you put it back in the slide, or I mean on the gun. Oops. Get my barrel and stuff back on. Eventually I'll probably do another video of taking this gun completely apart, the trigger assembly and all that. That's it. So anyways, that's how you do that. If you have any questions, I guess comment or whatever. Thanks for watching.